From outside, it's almost impossible to tell this amazing house is built using shipping containers. It's constructed out of 5 shipping containers. The containers are placed side by side in 2 stacks, 2 stories high, saddling a big open plan living space on 2 levels to create an amazing shipping container house with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of habitable space. This amazing edifice is framed on the outside and insulated to hide the shipping containers beneath, creating this amazing shipping container family home. Moving inside, the house has exposed interior walls made from shipping containers because the house was insulated on the outside to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This is a view of the lounge area, showing an intimate lounge space saddled between 2 shipping container stacks. The house interior is painted in light colors to create an amazing indoor space. This is a view of the dining, well furnished next to this kitchen with a beautiful breakfast counter to enhance service and function. I like the concrete floors that have been polished to create a low maintenance, hard wearing and durable floor finish. This is a view of the kitchen. It's a nice galley kitchen inside one of the shipping containers with blue colored overhead storage cabinets and under the counter storage cabinets. Kitchen space is well lit with big glass windows to enhance daylighting and to also light up the sink space. There's also a myriad of open shelving stitched directly onto the exposed corrugated container walls, enhancing the industrial theme of the house. This kitchen space is well designed with high quality workmanship. This is a view of the formal dining with the lounge space in the background. I like the chandelier above the dining area. The space is fitted with a wall-mounted mini-split system to enhance indoor thermal comfort. There is also a selection of several vintage furniture pieces in the kitchen and also in the living areas. This is a view of the dining space still. This is a view of the living room showing the kitchen, the dining and the lounge areas. The space is all finished using polished concrete floors. This is a view of the master bedroom. I like these sliding barn doors. They enhance the livability of the space and they infuse a bit of warmth into this bedroom space. I like this light fixture. There's a wall-mounted mini-split system to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This is a view of the same bedroom. There's a bathroom there, and you also appreciate the light painted indoor walls and doors. This is a view of the same master bedroom. I like these big windows that drenches the indoor space with maximum daylighting. A view of the same space. This is a walk-in closet. I like these barn doors. I like the big windows and the maximum daylighting inside this master bedroom. The space is also finished with a mix of wooden accents and the floors are done with polished concrete. This is a view of the master bathroom, a view of the closet space. It's a view of the closet space still. This is amazing use of barn doors in the house, and you'll appreciate the way they complement each other, creating that feel of industrial finishes on the interior. This is a view of another bedroom in the house with this bunk bed, wooden accents, finishes throughout, polished concrete floors, and exposed corrugated container walls. The place is also well lit. There's another set of barn doors in the house for the closet spaces. This is a view of another bedroom. It's another bunk bed with a raised bed level. We also have a usable space under the bed. The use of wooden doors, big glass windows to enhance daylighting, and the polished concrete floors. This is a view of the same bedroom with a big glass window. This is a view of another bathroom in the house. I like the blue, light blue color. It brings in a bit of contrast to cut the monotony of white painted interiors. This is a view of another space in the house with direct opening onto an outdoor deck. I like the use of big glass windows and doors for maximum daylighting. It's a view of the same space. It looks like a gym and exercise room. This is a view of this big game room in between the two bedroom wings on the first floor level. Big barn doors, amazing. Polished concrete floors, ceiling fans, and big glass windows. This is a closer view of the piano space inside this big game room. The overall view of the game room, I like this ladder that has been retained here as a feature. I'm sure it was used during the construction process to just document the history of this amazing build. There's a view of this family space upstairs. I like this couch. I like the floor mat also. The same view of the game room from a different angle. It's a closer view of this working space. This looks like a sewing machine. I like the use of big windows for maximum daylighting. A view of the same space with additional storage areas. This is a relaxation space. I like this picture window and this nice hanging seat. Children's game room and toy space. This beautiful relaxation space. It can be even a yoga room. Beautiful landscape. The house is buried in this beautiful treed landscape and lot. There's greenery everywhere. We have water features, these amazing ponds. It's just an amazing environment. Good. What do you like about this amazing house? This beautiful house was listed for sale on 16th of June 2023 and was sold for $310 US. What do you think about this selling price and the general design of this amazing container house? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.